Welcome to Axminster Tools and Machinery. Need to get rid of paint, oil, PU glue, carpet adhesive or other dirt, grease and grime from your hands, tools or surfaces? Try Big Wipes range of products available in multi-surface, multi-purpose and heavy-duty cleaning wipes. Check out our quick demo and see for yourself the Big Wipes heavy-duty cleaning wipes in action. Let's start with some oil-based paint. And then add some more. A quick spray of some carpet adhesive. Now it's time for some multi-purpose deep oil. Finally, now for some stubborn PU glue. Take a heavy-duty Big Wipe and place on your hands, using either the rough scrub side or the smoother wipe side. The water-based formula starts to work straight away. The textured 4-ply quad fabric wipes grip 40% more grime with every wipe. Dermatologically tested and with more than 99% of antibacterial protection, they also help to keep your skin in prime condition for the job in hand. Step into the world of fast, hassle-free and effective cleaning on the go with Big Wipes heavy-duty cleaning wipes. Available to buy now from our website at www.axminster.co.uk.